So you've bought a Viltrox lens and want to update the firmware but not sure how. It's easy. Let me show you how. For this video, I'll be using the Viltrox APS-C 35mm f1.7 for Sony that I recently purchased. How to update the firmware. Open your browser and go to viltrox.com. Click on the Support drop-down menu and select File Download. Then click on the appropriate operating system you are using, which in my case is Windows. In the next window, click on the download icon over on the left side of the screen. You'll be prompted for a location to save the download. In my example, I'm saving it to the Downloads folder. Once downloaded, navigate in your File Explorer to the location of the downloaded zip file and extract it. Once extracted, open the folder that was created and double-click on the Viltrox lens application file. You will be prompted to connect your lens to your computer as shown. Simply connect it via a USB-C cable to your computer or laptop. Then simply click on the Connect button, and it will let you know if there is an update by showing you your current version and the latest version with an Update button. Just click on that. Once it's finished, it will show this screen saying, "Is the latest." And that's it. Your lens now has the latest firmware.